kid. Yeah. I really don't want to take the test.
I'm an AR police. I will arrest you. You want to take the kid?
Yes.
You want to take a kid?
Yes.
You want to cheat?
No.
I'll come back for you later.
Okay. Teacher, I need help. Can you come and log this on for me? That was really easy. Why couldn't I do that? Number 1. A. This is all gut here. Yes, got it right. Number 2.
C.
C. Got it right. Number 3.
B.
B. Got it right. Number 4.
Boom, boom. Ah! My hair! Oh, by the way. C.
C. Got it right again. Number 5.
Oh!
2. Number 2. 1, 2. 2. 2. 2, 2, 2, 2.
You know, if you took it seriously and passed the test, you could get a ticket to put in a bucket, and then you could probably get drawn and get candy and popcorn and a whole bunch of other Hunger Games stuff.
Really?
Yes.
Amazing! Hunger Games!
Totally!
Oh my gosh, I think that's what I just found out. What? That if you pass a test on a quiz, they put the ticket on in a bucket, and if your name gets called out, then you get a bunch of prizes that, like, cotton candy, movie passes, and popcorn.
Oh my gosh, that is so awesome.
I know, right?
Who brought this guy?
Dad! Get out of here!
I'm capturing the moment.
I'm gonna tell Mom you're using Mom's camera! Get out of here!
Guard, get him out. Oh my gosh, really?
I hate my dad so much.
Okay, he's on the show right now. Get him.
Alright, and take 2.